Today we're unboxing the Musway MG6.3A Active 3-way component system, engineered for exceptional clarity and precision. Inside you'll find a comprehensive product manual, your guide to unlocking the full potential of this premium audio setup. Next, the MG6.2T tweeters. These 1.1-inch silk diaphragm domes handle up to 125 watts RMS with a frequency range of 2200 to 30,000 Hz, ensuring every note soars. Here's the MG3M midrange drivers, 3-inch speakers built with an aluminum cone, rated at 60 watts RMS and capable of reaching 18,000 Hz. Smooth, detailed mids you'll love. Finally, the MG6.2W Midbass speakers. At 6.5 inches with 125 watts RMS and a range of 39 to 5,000 Hz, they bring deep, punchy lows to your soundstage. The Musway MG6.3A Active 3-way system, crafted for audiophiles who crave detail, power, and musical excellence.